Imagine an AI capable of writing code, solving problems, and completing tasks without human input. Meet AI agents like Devin and Auto-GPT, the next generation of artificial intelligence transforming the workplace. But what exactly are AI agents, and can they really replace humans? Today, we'll explore their capabilities, limitations, and potential impact on your future. AI agents are autonomous artificial intelligence systems capable of planning, executing tasks, and adapting to new information, all independently. Unlike traditional chatbots, these agents handle complex tasks without constant supervision. Let's meet Devin, dubbed the world's first AI software engineer. Devin can code entire software projects, debug code, and collaborate seamlessly with human developers. Is Devin a sign of what's coming next? Then there's Auto-GPT, an AI that autonomously researches topics, generates reports, and executes tasks end-to-end. It's self-driven and highly flexible, changing how businesses operate. From automating software development to generating marketing campaigns and conducting research, AI agents are already transforming industries. The question is, how far will they go? However, AI agents aren't perfect. They can misunderstand goals, produce errors, or get stuck in loops without clear guidance. Human oversight remains essential, for now. Experts predict AI agents will soon be commonplace in workplaces worldwide, automating repetitive tasks and freeing humans for creative and strategic roles. Are you ready for this future? If you enjoyed exploring the world of AI agents, like this video, subscribe to Byte-Sized AI, and let us know your thoughts. Are AI agents the future of work? Share your opinion in the comments below.